Okay, let's get started with a fast track guide for the Bitclub network. So the first thing you need to do obviously is register with the Bitclub network. And there's a couple of things you're going to need to do this correctly. You need the referral link, which will be given to you by the person who introduced you to the business. If you actually try to sign up without a referral link from any of the sites, then you're going to get a message saying that you do need to have a sponsor. So you can see if you come to the website here without a sponsor and click sign up, you're going to get this message again. Okay, so make sure you've got the referral link from the person who introduced you. And another important reason for this is we need to make sure that you're tracked to that person, that they get the credit they deserve, and also that you're placed in the correct position within our team. If you don't have somebody who's already introduced you to the Bitclub network, then you can use my link either like that or by clicking the button you'll find further down on this page. But if you've been introduced by somebody else, then please, it's very important that you use their referral link. But something which is very important before you ever click that referral link or try to sign up, if you're in the US, there is a soft IP block on US members which prevents them from signing up from the US. And the reason for that is that when the US government introduced Bitcoin or announced Bitcoin as a commodity so that they could basically tax you on it, then that brought with it some legal implications for the Bitclub network. And as Bitclub network do not report to the IRS and do not report income earned, then they're not compliant. So for legal reasons, they decided to put a soft IP block on the US in order to stay within the law. That doesn't mean you cannot join and you can't participate in the US. It just means you need to use a VPN, which will hide your IP address and change your IP address so it appears that you come from another country. And there's nothing wrong with this. That's perfectly fine to do that. I'm not suggesting for 1 minute that you fail to notify the IRS of your income. That's something which you should do. Okay, so there are several ways you can get a VPN. There are some browser plugins and extensions for Chrome and Internet Explorer and Firefox. But some people still have trouble, even with the plugins, it still seems to show their IP as USA if that's where they are. So one way around that, this is an easy way to get your VPN, is to download the Opera browser. So just go to Google, type in Opera browser and go to this page here. And you can download this browser. Now the Opera browser has a built-in VPN, which is very easy to set up and to work. And then you can use that Opera browser only when you log into Bitclub. Just use it for Bitclub exclusively and you'll never have a problem. Okay, so once you've downloaded the Opera browser, once you've installed it, you can click on the Opera icon and go to Settings. And then you can click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down to Enable VPN. You can see right here. And by enabling VPN, a blue icon next to the address at the top here. And when you click on that, you can select a country. So you can see right now this one is currently set on Canada. So you can choose anyone which is not the United States. And what that does is when you visit Bitclub network now, you'll be visiting as if you are from Canada and not the US. So if you still get the US sign up screen, then it probably means you've got it saved in your cookies or cache or browser history. So you need to go back to the icon and settings, history, click on clear browsing data and clear all the cookies, clear all the browsing data. Actually close the browser completely and restart it, launch it again, and that should fix that problem for you. So before you ever click sign me up, before you click on your sponsor's link, make sure that you've got a VPN if you're in the US and enter your details to register. Depending on which landing page they've given you, you'll see something like this or something like this. Okay, so once you've entered your details to create your account, then you'll see this message here. So email verification is required and it's asking you to click on this button here. So we'll click the send verification code here. And it says check your email. So you need to go over to your email and you should see that here you've got your Bitclub network email verification. So you just click on that. We'll copy the code from here. Go back and paste that verification code in there to verify your email. And then it says email verified. Okay, so once you've registered with the Bitclub network, you can of course sign in. So when you first sign in, you'll see this page here. And in order to participate in the mining and have the various pools available to you and your Bitcoin wallet and the other member benefits, you need to pay the platform fee, which is $99 one time. So when you first sign in, you'll come to this page, and there's a video here which you may have already seen on some of my other pages. You can watch that video again, and then you need to click here to upgrade your account. Of course, when you upgrade, the full membership will include the Bitclub wallet, some other training and education on Bitcoin mining, full access to the Bitcoin mining pools, and of course you can then earn commissions through the referral program. So you need to click here, upgrade account, and you will need to pay in Bitcoin, the $99 fee. There's no monthly fees and there's no ongoing fees. This is a one-time payment for platform access and membership. What you need to do is you scroll down here. This is the amount you need to send in BTC. Of course, this will change depending on the current rate of Bitcoin and how much Bitcoin is worth at the time that you sign in. So this is the address you need to send it through. You can either scan the QR code below, or you simply copy this address, and then you'll go over to your Bitcoin wallet, either with blockchain, Coinbase, local Bitcoins, whoever you've got your wallet with, and you put this address in the send to and this amount. So you're going to send this amount to this address, and that will fund your membership here on Bitclub network. Now there is also another option where you can pay with credit in your wallet, which you won't have credit in your wallet obviously if you've just signed up, but other members, your sponsor for example, myself or whoever sponsored you, can actually pay for your invoice with credit or their balance. It can be transferred from another member account from commissions and added to your account manually. If you want to do that, you need to work out a payment with your sponsor. So for example, if you're having trouble buying Bitcoins and you want me to pay the invoice for you in Bitcoins, you can send a payment to me via Western Union, and our other team members and sponsors can do the same for you. Okay, so once you go ahead and make the payment, you need to do that within 10 minutes. And once your payment is confirmed, you'll then be able to log into the rest of the site and have access to all of the features. Okay, so that's how to pay for your membership. And in the next video, we'll look at purchasing shares.